scholars. So shall we begin with the math session now? Okay. Now children, in last video we have completed the addition of money. How we can add money. Okay. Now in today's video I will be showing how to subtract money. Okay, subtraction also we have done in the previous chapter, but here we have to do the subtraction of money. Okay children, so let's begin. Let's watch this video and we will see that how we can subtract money. Okay children, so let's start children. So children, let's begin with the next part of chapter number 11, money. So let's see what is the today's topic. Now the next topic is subtracting money. Now here we will see how we can subtract money. So what is the first example here children? Rupees 45.75 paise minus rupees 20.50 paise. Okay, now here rupees 20.50 paise you have to subtract from rupees 45.75 paise. Okay, now children, again how we did in addition, in the similar manner you have to do here. We have to write rupees and paise in different columns. Okay, then in rupees column what is there? Rupees 45. So 45 rupees and 75 paise. So in paise column write down 75 minus rupees 20. So rupees 20 you have to write in rupees column below 45, and then 50 paise you have to write below 75. Okay, in paise column. So now you have to subtract. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Then in rupees column how you will do subtraction children? 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Like this you have to subtract children. Subtraction we have already done, but here we have to do the subtraction of money. Only the difference is you have to write rupees and paise differently in different columns. Okay children. Now see example 2 here. Sagar bought a sandwich for rupees 35.50 paise. He gave the shopkeeper rupees 50. How much should the shopkeeper pay him back? Okay, so children, what Sagar bought? He bought a sandwich of rupee 35.50 paise. And now he gave shopkeeper how much rupee? Rupee 50. So you have to find how much that shopkeeper will pay him back. Okay, so again rupee and paise different columns you make. Then money given to the shopkeeper was 50 rupee. We don't have any paisa because he gave only 50 rupee. Okay, so 50 rupee and 00 paise. Then cost of sandwich was 35 rupee 50 paise. Now you have to subtract here 50 rupee 00 paise minus 35 rupee 50 paise. Now children, here from 00 paise you cannot subtract 50 paise. Okay children, from 0 paise you cannot subtract 50 paise. So what you will do children, from rupee here 50 rupee you will take 1 over here. Okay, that means you will make it as 100 paise. 1 rupee you will take, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So this 00 paise will become 100 paise. Okay, so 1 rupee you have to take it here. So when you are taking 1 rupee from 50 rupee, what you will get here? 49 rupee, and here in paise it will become 100 paise. Okay, so see here we don't have enough paise to take away 50 paise. So we convert 1 rupee to paise. So children, from here you have to take 1 rupee. From 50 rupee you have to take 1 rupee. So what it will become? 49 rupee. And here in paise it will become 100 paise. Then now you can subtract minus 35 rupee 50 paise. So now you can subtract 50 paise from 100 paise. Now it is very simple. Then 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then here what you will do children? Regrouping. So you have to do regrouping. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay children. Then come to rupees part. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So children, how much rupees you got? 14 rupee 50 paise. So Sagar should get back rupee 14.50 paise. Like this you have to do the subtraction in money. Okay children. So children, you do this sums, you practice this sum. First you watch this video properly and then you try to do this. Subtraction, addition, subtraction are very simple. We have done earlier also. Okay children, and I know you can do it. Okay children, so we will meet back again. So till then, goodbye.